Today I'm going to be reviewing these booties that I got, these boots, suede boots. So this is what the boots look like. They come packaged in this container right here to protect it. So it does have suede, it's made out of suede, and it has a round top. And I also like the fact that it is very comfortable to wear, and you can wear it with different styles of clothes. On the inside you have a soft latex cushion on the inside, and which makes it very easy to wear. And I also like that at the sole you have this rubber sole, and the rubber sole is comfortable, gives that lasting comfort, and it makes it very easy for you to walk with. It has this anti-slip, so you have this non-slipping thing at the bottom. You can easily take it off, and you can also easily put it on. You have, of course, the zipper area, which you can easily unravel, like zip down, and it's so easy to zip it back up. It's absolutely beautiful, and I totally absolutely love it.